Engineer Society Borokaro felicitation of Panda Kalika of Pandani Boranganan Chairman Theodore Mandak newly elected MLAs about state government minister atau tahu Ramsa Tomo sini Boranganan Menteri tahu Sukla Charan Matia Taigo Jara Boranganan MLA Som Tai ini di Pandana Somsanai Cpim Engineer Society members Dr. Taku Bukurongno Angani Kapangni Hamzamma Taikulu Mayapa Cpim Engineer Society Age Humung Sudah Tomani Tahu Humung Selajarkan I am very proud of having long association with this society. There are many known faces in front of me. Among our people need just someone coming to government need their programs, project implementation of Abasimiya, this society ni bagi socially, culturally, educationally, the overall emancipation ni bagi Cpim Engineer Society from its very beginning, from its inception. Borok se samung khai timani, borok samung khai timani. From my core of hearts, I really do appreciate your leadership. Ini jehetu chung politician itu mic mankai, orang sak ni masuk atau senani orang sudah menjaga. Jadi orang tabung no ani sekarang terkaitan dengan aku Sukla Charan Matia. Oh, tabung immediate after our election before tabung ni jarao jadi state jadi kisu kotana orang company. Definitely, our desire is short. क्या वो हम पे उठूं? अपन को खबर नहीं है. Any right thinking people, peace loving, but fracture, जेकोनो बनो. अब हम चला काम देहतो, मंत्री सातों सकामी हम तीसरे रेफरेंस पर होगा. So there, I thank him that he has reflected his minds. Definitely somewhere is bleeding in his conscience. That's why he expressed it. In Arunam Sanai, that is not the responsibility of this civil society. Of course, they have to also some responsibility to that is to take part. But the responsibility lies with the politicians. If we politicians we do not realize it, we do not try to contain it, then it becomes limitless. It harms the society, everything in long run. that thinking should be percolated to each and everyone who we are in this politics spectrum. Of course, this is definitely one second I appreciate it. It is a very, very good realization, and thank him definitely. In other forum also, he will have his voice like this, that I feel, and I am confident that he will do it. Tahu buku orang Jepang senanai, Tripura Engineer Society. Of course, Tripura Hastio, Tahu Karasung Kumbara by indigenous people. Sini baru tahu ni cara ini so engineer, doctor, officer, professor, lawyer. Am to ini hoite 30-40 years काम नहीं तो दिसो अब like है. Some of that number has been increased in many forms. Abang, there is state me the total developmental activities, social emancipation dibagui. Now, from the bigger society, tai kubun player komphano, kubangko komphano, or zagatodi from that particular community, that particular section, or the borofite lead khainai, borofite tulul nai, ampi borofkuri inka jesu phano. That program is very much pro people. That program is very much well thought. It becomes very difficult really to implement and to achieve the goal. Angkakalayo, the Tripura has still level. But Zagazum Sopaika, if you go even in to the far-flung areas of any part of the state, even the remote border of Bandachara or Longtharai Valley or the top hill of the Longtharai, wherever, yeah, become very proud that is, we can see from those villages, those hamlets also, we have our students, our boys and our girls. They are pursuing their courses in universities and different education institutions. That is, that kind of situation has been prevalent now. But I think only by that number that to think ourselves that we have achieved our goal. We have also become at par with the others. I think that time is yet to come. So there is kind of civil societies, engineers association, doctors associations, officers association, whether they are in service or retired, doesn't matter. If they don't take this responsibility as a whole, that beyond our own periphery of works for the society, for the community, if we can reach out to this section of people, to these areas, then the fruits of development will remain unreached to them. Tahu, jadi, ini auti cara platform domestic society domai. Borok ko sabno se kaham khlai romnan namu tudurun namu naikiri kena. Tamani loge abo sanan nai. Yes, there are several programs of the government. The government to X, Y, Z, Japan. But government program automatically cannot be guaranteed that it will be implemented or fulfilled. Until now, unless the society, they are responsible, they are not taking part with the total process of the implementation. Adi o jagao, tahun je era of globalization. Globalization definitely abuni merit to tomo, demerit to tomo. The merit is that sitting at home, inside our room, we can see the entire globe. What is happening around the world? How the nation or the country or the any region is achieving or that is moving forwards. I will also know that even once very much developed nation, from almost the prospect of money, only for like County Jagawa on the box here to the science, technology, globalization, development. Our there is some merits in now. I will look at the demerits by the that the competition for survival. এবং ও সার্ভাইভালি কম্পিটিশন যে কমিউনিটি বা যে সোসাইটি বড় করাত্তম মান নাই বড় ইউনাইটেড মান নাই বড় যেসব ফান লগবার ফাইতো সাইক্লোন ফাইতো they can stand, they can survive. ও যে লগবার अब आमताई अन्य कोनो आंसर नहीं है जे चिनी ये कंपटीशन ने विषय में कुतुबले टॉपर सफाई तो अब जे चिनी सोसाइटल बिहेवियर ने विषय में ताई को ना वो इस जगह kita একটা menace right about जो कि पूरा हस्तल उत्सव that is among the youth, among the younger generation that trend of that is inclination with the drug, liquor, amtini, এবং our electronic lo ontom abo tum jara o holo tum nai tum jara politician ba apne song jara engineers ebo kebo sum nugia semani amne ya ke tir khelani bumoi tai जुदा पत्र पत्रे जाओ घूमई असुख खाई जो चिनी जे यंगर सोसाइटी नो तब अब खाई दो इट्स अ बिग डेंजर फॉर अ सोसाइटी पर जो उधर चिनी जे इंजीनियर सोसाइटी और किसा अवश्य जे किसा रिलीफ रो हमरो खाई आपनो तो जैसे नंतन खाने नांगाई तो अब है कि तो अपन लोगे लोगे चिनी सोसाइटी विषय में इसे menace अपन वही क्या तुम चेक है अपन लोग किसी और मानसिक करते हैं future generation और अब education ने हम पर खाई तो development ने हम पर खाई तो unity ने हम पर खाई तो अब that any ruin any voice or whoever और कहाँ पॉलिटिशियन को उम्मीद किया, कहाँ ऑफिसर को उम्मीद किया, कहाँ सिटीजन को उम्मीद किया। That is very much important. Then second, I discuss about that. So it's a democratic system. this democracy lacks the law. Our right from left from whatever अब जतनी लगे बांग्ला प्रोफेशन अब स्यूडर माने डेमोक्रेटिक और नॉन द ऑर्डर और जगह जे गवर्नमेंट जे प्रोग्राम जेहेतु आनी एक्सपीरियंस जब विधान सभा में I was 21 years in the cabinet and had the opportunity to serve in different capacity, different departments. What we have seen. Just one example under me. On the floor, tribal welfare department, rural development department, like forest. These three departments are enemy of each other. Bahaya nanai abo. Sini indigenous people tribal tanga bolong. The Indian Forest Act, which was enacted in 1927 during the Britishers' period, that the approach of the Indian Forest Act was anti-development. Our Rakunto is 75 years or 76 years, so our payment British law. In colonial state of Crimea, the Indian is almost the resource forest resource of Europe London. এবং সংখ্যা 290 তিনি এই শিমলা শিলং বা এই তামিলনাড়ু যাব এই না ওদের তামিলনাড়ু যে ব্যবহার যে সমস্ত রঙের এই মানে সিটি হিল সিটি খেনে রাও কমফোর্ট জায়গা অর্থাৎ বরং আইনখা ব্রিটিশ রক তাইবা 1000 ইয়ার্স পর কম নাই যাতে ও যে হিল সিটি আপনি যে তামিলনাড়ু environment change हो गया थी और उन्हें प्रॉब्लम जाते तो मैं याद करी अब मैं करी आमतिक है हमें rules and that forest code still prevailing. It is anti people and very much anti tribe. So while the Forest Right Act was enacted, I am the minister of both the department. So between my two departments, in one hand, all the IAS officers, top officers. In other hand, my tribal welfare officers. They are quarreling each other. The forest tribal welfare department, the act forest right money. The forest department officer of high would know on this provision. This claimant, this appeal of the particular and beneficiary, it does not, that is, represent all the materials on what claim of X, Y, Z can be fulfilled. Forest department, a private department, approach kayo, 4 hectares, 25 kani daga, right to the Forest department bini abo fight over the this. Since government was politically willing, no, you must do it. You must settle the claims. Tumang khao jagao. Sini jara bora bori kha beba. Sumbo generous khai. Mongka je aku nunai to apu saiman to me kichu khane nahi the application form sa likha wo application wo saimania wo jaga ne bage application likha kubang ma use ani nok thayo sukla karanda mani Pattamani Kunka. Suplasondamoni Nadikara Bagano, and Pattamani Kunka. Abuno যদি আপনারা আগুন সেগুলো খাইলিম কেন খাই ও ফরেস্ট রাইট অ্যাক্ট ত্রিপুরা হস্তে তুমি প্রায় 1,20,000 তুমি যদি খা আবার 20,000 যদি বেনিয়া সো দেয়ার হোয়াট আই এম সেইং তা অবশ্য মানে কম খাও টাকা দেয়ার ইভেন any project it will benefit the people that population, but they don't know how to grab, how to that is benefit himself or herself or themselves. So there, our Tripura Engineer Society, Tripura Engineer Society में कौन सा बनी है? सिनी बराबर जरा सिनी इंजीनियर कौन है, डॉक्टर कौन है, CS officer, IS officer, IFS officer whoever you are, if you don't think beyond your official responsibility that this society, even we are targeting them to give them benefit, but they are not motivated, you can't achieve that goal.